Welcome back to that build. Today I am continuing progress, obviously, of my Porsche build. If you're new to the channel and would like to catch up, please do watch the full disassembly video. There is also individual videos of each day I've actually done work on this car. Within my channel there are other playlists including interests, other builds and other people's builds. If you'd like to consider subscribing, I do appreciate it. So what I'm doing today is more or less continuing on the path of fixing the problem I have with this rotisserie I've made. The thing basically sways. There's nothing at all keeping it taut. And the problem is that when I rotate it, it's just flimsy. And the problem is it's unsafe. So what I've done is purchase some lovely and expensive box tubing, more or less to replace the existing legs. So it's the same grade, same thickness, all that sort of thing, same dimensions, all that sort of affair, to go in between the two pieces. So that middle section itself, just going to make a brace in there, more or less be chopping in half, because it does kind of bow downwards. The general design of these is to sit a bit back so the engine, it doesn't fall forward. So there's a bit of a rake which I'll be correcting with more or less slicing this and then welding it up so it kind of bows in the middle. So going on about that first, and then getting to moving all this stuff around, because I'm getting more and more boxed in. There's just so much going on here and I've got little space as it is. So I need to get this out. This is the next step, to then whack it on top here and then start marking out the drill holes, securing that into place. Then I have the, there we go, little pieces that they're not too bad. Probably should paint these rather soon though. Putting these back into place, which was the bracing, the corner braces for the pans to the rear cross piece support. I don't know, whatever they're called. That's on the floor now. So start with that, move all this stuff around, and then go from there. Oh man. So this took quite a while to make a pile of mess. Yeah, about a week and a half and I still don't feel right. I'm actually rather unwell and have been for a week and a half. So yeah, this has taken a bit of a back burner and it's taken me this long just to shuffle things around. But of course, now having that chassis completely mobile, I can move it basically as freely as I like. So it was a little bit more complex before this. Everything crammed up against the wall. I couldn't actually get the space frame, which is pretty much the next thing of the cards, really. So all this lovely, I'm sure I'm going to have stuff showering me. Here we go. All this now will be removed and then clean that all up because it is a bit rusty. And then I'll go about putting it onto the base and then hopefully starting to line out all the holes. But there is a bit of weight in that and I forgot just how bulky it is. So I'm hoping it's not going to be a problem. It shouldn't be because the rotisserie itself should hold the chassis in place quite well. When you think about it though, it is really only 6 bolts holding that thing onto those couple of plates. So when you think about it that way, it's not really ideal. It shouldn't be a problem. And again, I'll have the rest of it supported mostly, so yeah, should be fine. But that's more or less it. So, just noticed there's a nice dent at the end of the space frame. I don't remember that. Anyway, so hopefully I'm feeling better for next week. I said that 2 weeks ago now, but there we are. That's pretty much going to do it in today. So hopefully I get a bit more work done. It's been really slow progress for 2023 so far. I was hoping to be a lot further in. We're pretty much into April now, which 4 months into the year, and I've achieved nearly nothing, which is not where I wanted to be. I wanted to be so much further in. I was hoping to be halfway through the year putting that thing onto the body, but no, that's still a ways away by the seams of it. Anyway, that's going to do it again today. So thank you very much for joining me. As always, like, subscribe, comment below, etc. This has been Dat Build. Now get back to your build. Until next time, cheers.